Hi, I'm Sarah Favreau. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a secret. Kaselj and Mike Westerdal teamed up to present Unlock Your Hip Flexors, a simple flow to open your hips. Tight hip flexors are a common issue for people who sit down a lot. In other words, everybody. Can a program that only takes 10 minutes a day actually make a difference? We purchased the program to test it out for ourselves. This review will tell you what we think of it, and whether you should check it out for yourself. Unlock Your Hip Flexors provides a simple and straightforward set of movements that are designed to loosen and strengthen your hips. The movements are done in a sequence which he calls the sequential flow. If done correctly, this flow is supposed to help correct the tightness and imbalances caused by sitting too much. The sequential flow method is based on current research as well as Kaselj's many years as a physical therapist. Although some of the stretches and exercises are well known, Rick says it's the specific sequence that's most important. The sequential flow is a combination of static stretching, dynamic movements, and strengthening. It takes just over 10 minutes to complete. Rick recommends doing it at least once each day, at least when you are first starting out. Opening your hip flexors requires more than just static stretching. That's why you will be mixing longer, 20-second, stretches with some dynamic stretching. Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, PNF, stretching to increase range of motion, and strengthening exercises. How this program will help you: we already told you about the problems caused by having weak, tight hip flexors. So it makes sense that using the program every day will lead to all kinds of benefits, as it has for many people already. Flattened belly fat. Opening up your hip flexors will make your torso more upright. This reduces the appearance of the overhanging belly fat gooch. Improved core strength. The flow sequence includes some key core strengthening moves. They're easy to do, but you will certainly see an improvement if you follow the sequence on a regular basis. Reduces your risk for injuries. A lot of athletic injuries are due to poor mobility. The hip mobility exercises will make that less likely to happen to you. Improves your sexual performance. Whether you're a man or woman, reducing tension and improving blood flow in your hip flexor region can have a positive effect in the bedroom. More athletic. Serious athletes and weekend warriors alike will benefit from having strong and fluid hips. Unlock Your Hip Flexors. The sequential flow is designed by a highly reputable physical therapist, Kaselj, and strength coach, Mike Westerdal. It's easy to complete, no equipment is necessary, and in just over 10 minutes to complete the book and videos. Get right to the good stuff. You won't have to get bored listening to a bunch of useless information. All the movements are safe as long as you follow the instructions. The flow is relatively easy to complete. You certainly do not need to be in top physical condition to benefit from this program. The Unlock Tight Hamstrings bonus is equally simple and straightforward, and is probably much needed for those of us who do lots of sitting. It has a 60-day money-back guarantee in case for some reason the program isn't for you. Unlock Your Hip Flexors. The cons: even though it's easy to complete, you still have to make time each day to do the flow. Doing it every once in a while could still be good for you, but you will get the most benefit if you do it regularly. You might need to update your video player on your computer in order to watch the videos. If you have serious upper back injuries, you should see your doctor before trying this program. Final thoughts: problems caused by poor posture don't get enough attention. We usually think about diet and exercise as the keys to good health, but bad posture can ruin your health even if you do work out and watch what you eat. If you spend a lot of time sitting, you almost certainly have posture problems that you need to address. Kaselj's program can go a long way toward fixing bad posture. The program does require some effort on your part, but considering how much time you've spent sitting throughout your life, setting aside 10 minutes each day to undo the damage doesn't seem like much. The nice thing is that you can give it a try without risk because of the 60-day guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Click to buy now button below and I'll see you on the other side.